Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Probability. In general terms, probability refers to the chances of occurrence or non-occurrence of an event. In statistics, probability is the measure of the likeliness between the value 1 and 0 and occurrence of an event. Terms related with probability. Experiment. Experiment is the situation involving chance or probability that leads to results called outcomes. Outcome. Outcome is the result of a single trial of an experiment. Event. Event is one or more outcomes of an experiment. Probability. Probability is measure of how likely an event is. Probability of occurrence of an event A is defined as PA equal to number of ways an event A may occur divided by number of possible outcomes. Random experiment. An experiment is called a random experiment if, when conducted repeatedly under homogeneous conditions, it gives different result with one of the various possible outcomes. Example, if a dice is rolled out, there are 6 possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So any number may be the outcome. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space. It is denoted by letter S. Example, if 2 coins are tossed, then the set of all these outcomes constitutes a sample space expressed as S is equal to HH, TT, HT, TH. Statistical definition of probability. If the experiment is repeated a large number of times under necessary identical conditions, the limiting value of the ratio of the number of times the event happens to be the total number of trials of the experiment. As the number of trials increases indefinitely is called the probabilities of occurrence of event A. So PA, where PA indicates the probability of occurrence of A, is equal to limit n tending to infinity m by n, where m denotes the number of times in which an event A occurs in a series of n trials. Modern definition of probability. PA is called the probability of the class events A in a sample space A, S, where P is the probability measure, satisfying the following axioms. 1. 0 is lesser equal to PA is lesser equal to 1 for event belonging to sigma. 2. PS is equal to 1. 3. For every finite or infinite sequence of disjoint events A1, A2 up to AN, P A1 intersection A2 intersection up to AN, that is PA1 or PA1 to A2 or A3 is equal to P of A1 plus P of A2 plus up to n times. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.